What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, we are going to review the Super Z platform. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get started with this project and what you can learn from it. All right, so this is the DGen play. And as you can see right here from the start, we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plans. Okay, so the minimum investment for this platform is $50 right there, and the maximum is 100K. All right, so each plan has their own minimum and maximum. So for example, this first one, the quantum yield, the minimum is $50, the maximum is 999. So the total profit that you're going to make from this particular plan is going to be 20%, and then at the end of the plan, you're going to be able to return your principal. Okay, so minimum withdrawal is going to be $5, and your earnings going to be only Monday to Friday. All right, so if you click on a different plan, you can see the minimum and maximum, total profits, principals, minimum withdrawals, etc. Okay, by now I hope you get the idea how it works. So depending on how much you are looking to invest, it will reflect on your rewards. Okay, but then again, the more you invest, the more you will earn. So for example, over here we can see the daily yield is going to be 2%, this one 2.3, 2.7, 3, 250, and 300% after 5 calendar days. Okay, depends on your risk appetite, right? So only invest risk capital. And scrolling further down, you can find more information about the company, Super Z. Okay, you can find what they do and how they manage the risks. All right, and we have the referral system, which has 1, 2, 3, 3 levels. Okay, it has 3 levels. So level 1, you'll get 5%. Level 2, you'll get level 2, 1%. Well, level 2 will get 3%, and level 3 you get 1%. Okay, they also offers you a card, okay, a debit card, and over here you can see the trading profit from the last 24 hours, and we can see the latest transactions, withdrawals, and deposits. So for example, let me see. So if you click over here to check, you can see the transaction on the blockchain. All right, so you can see that the funds have been paid. All right, so this is a good thing. So you can check them all for yourself. And scrolling further down, we can see the card. All right, so if you're interested in the debit card, click over here and you will find more information about it. Over here is where you got all the FAQ, support, white paper, partners, token, official chat, etc. Okay, so if you got any questions about the project, just come over here to Super Z official chat and you can find information. You can also see that people are posting their transactions. People are getting paid, so they are just sharing that, hey, I got paid. Okay, and essentially that's that. So once you register, okay, link's going to be down in the description. If you want to use my link, I appreciate it. If not, it's okay anyway. So once you register, hit my account. So you come to my account and this is what you will see: your username, your email address, registration date, and last access, etc. You can flick it to daytime or nighttime. Okay, this is my dashboard. So my active deposit is 200. So total deposit 200. I haven't withdrew anything, okay, because the minimum is $5, and right now I only got $4. And over here, got a pending withdrawal. Okay, so this is the first video, just a tutorial showing you how to get started. And then on the next video, I am going to show you how to withdraw. So for example, in my case, I deposit $200 with the first plan, okay, because it's this one. So if you want to deposit more, let's say 1,000 plus, you could go for the Dino gain. Okay, so depositing $200 will give me a 4% daily profit, and total profit after 10 days will be $240, which is $40 plus my principal. Okay, so if you want to get started, so let's say you want to start with this first plan or the second plan. So for example, you come over here with $1,000 and you'll get $23 per day. After a certain amount of days, you will get your principal plus $345. Okay, so let's say you want to deposit 1,000. You come over here and hit deposit. Okay, we'll take you to this page, and obviously we are here. So we click on this one, invest now. All right, And then you're going to select the currency that you want to deposit. So let's say TRC20 USDT and the amount. So 1,000 right there. So you hit spend, and we'll take it to another page where you got the plan confirmation. So you're going to invest on a second plan. You're going to earn 2.3% daily for 21 days, Monday to Friday. So principal withdrawal not available. Credit amount is 1,000 bucks, and the debit amount is 1,000 bucks. Okay. And all you got to do is come over here, copy this wallet address, go to your exchange and send 1,000 bucks to this address right there. So once that's done, um, that's it. You just got to wait for the payment. So the payment will go through, and you are good to go. You don't have to do anything else. And then every 24 hours, excuse me, every 24 hours, Monday to Friday, you will get paid. And essentially that's that. So if you look over here, we can see that my balance is now is $4. If you want to withdraw, let's say you want to withdraw TRC20, so you click withdraw, and you click, probably is not going to let me because the minimum amount is not being reached, because the minimum amount is $5. So tomorrow or so, I'm going to accumulate a little bit more, and then I'm going to show you how to withdraw. Okay, and essentially that's that. So withdrawals is over here. Deposit list is where it's going to show you how to deposit. Referral links right here. So for example, you want to what's going on here? Right here. You want to share your referral link. All you got to do. Where's the referral link? Copy. Is this the referral link? Yeah, this is the referral link. So you copy this referral link. Let me have a look. And you share it with your family, friends, social media, whoever joins the platform. This is not a referral link. So the referral link, I think, is just this thing right here. For some reason, it's messed up. Let me just copy this. Uh, yes. I don't know. I don't know what's going on with this referral link. But anyway, over. Let me see if I can find a referral link. Oh, right here. So the referral link is right here. Okay. So ignore these referral links and etc. So you copy this one, and then you share it with your social media, family, friends, whoever joins the platform under your referral link, you will get a referral commission. And over here is where you edit your account. So for example, your username and etc. Okay. And also your payment details. So if you want to get paid, you will have to add your wallet addresses. So for example, if you want to get paid in TRC20 USDT, you have to paste your wallet address. If you want to get paid, oh sorry, ERC20, TRC20, BEP20, you get the idea, right? So you have to paste your address right here before you make the withdrawal. Okay, so I will do that on the next video. That being said, guys, I think there is not much to say about this. So this is a degen play, so only invest risk capital. That being said, shout out to Bitcoin, is up 10% for the last 24 hours, and seems like we are walking towards the 50K, which is great. All right. So stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.